Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Products Square Online. We are uploading home and kitchen related products frequently. In this video you will find Nutri commercial meat cutter machine, 5mm blade, save time, easy to clean, slices strips cubes 3-in-1, 110 volts US plug. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Technical details: brands Nutri material metal color with 5mm ball. Recommended uses for product meat blade material stainless steel blade length 5mm blade shape round operation mode manual. Technical details: the first time reduce into meat slice, second time reduce into shredded meat, 1/3 time reduce into cubes. It can sut any meat which isn't always with bones and freeze, along with chicken, fish, red meat, mutton and so on. Quick enough. Upgraded 85mm blade, 550 watts natural copper motor. Quicker meat slicing, can method 352 pounds meat in keeping with our, which may be definitely carried out to commercial enterprise and home. The blade may be changed with unique sizes. The system is fabricated from thick complete stainless steel, complete waterproof, rust-free. May be washed directly. The system is geared up with micro switch protection. When open the cover, the system will straight away energy off. Higher safeguarding uses _safety. The following varieties of meat are smooth to get caught at some point of slicing: big portions of meat, stale meat, cooked meat, red meat, tendon. Please do now no longer use this system for slicing or pre-processing earlier than slicing.